What we're doing today is in line with our 3-point agenda. We might have so many things in mind or written down before we came on board. But halfway the journey, we found out that we need to redirect ourselves and understand the need of our people. The need for quality education, the need for affordable health care services, the need to put food on the tables of our people. And that is where we brought this 3-point agenda: healthcare, education, and agriculture. And you are witness to it, that what we have done, not 1 year, in the past 6 months of our liberation, we have touched healthcare services like never before in our state. We have spent to make sure that Rivers State becomes health tourism state. As at today, the zonal hospitals are 70% completed. Not the way we made them, but advancing it, preparing it, developing it to up-to-date international standard. You can go and see for yourself. And I believe that the only reason why this project was allocated to Rivers State was because of our investment in healthcare. That is the truth. They are seeing what we are doing, and they believe that it will be right to partner with Rivers State. Let's set the record straight. It is not our project. It is a UNICEF project supported by the federal government and other partners. But the unique thing about this project is it needed to be cited somewhere. People who understand the need, people who are spending, people who are making positive investment in the healthcare. And that is why we gained that privilege. And I want to assure you that we are going to protect this project. We are going to protect it. We will do everything within our power. We will ensure that the Health Management Board puts everything in place to secure it. And also the community, the Eleme, my people, will also secure it. Because at the end of the day, it will bring development in Eleme. A situation where people from the east, people from the south states will be coming to access this facility. You know what it means. Your land that we are creating road for you, people will start buying them to start living here. More medical facility will start. In fact, as a matter of fact, don't be surprised. Most of these international organizations might be coming to set up some plants around here, because what is coming out of here is a very important ingredient in health services. So I want you to protect this project. Today is not a day to discuss politics. I'm happy that you have assured me that you have our back. You have assured me that you're going to stand with us. But don't worry, when the right time comes, we will come and speak that language. But today, what we are discussing here is this healthcare facility, this special project that UNICEF has dedicated to our lovely state. You know what it means to have this precious ring plant, something that will create oxygen, generate oxygen, knowing fully well that majority of our people today, if there is one illness, it's respiratory illness. That is one of the things that are killing people. It's associated with cardiac. Am I lying? Why is it so? because of this pollution, and we are in an environment of pollution. So please, chairman and the leaders and the traditional leadership, royal fathers of Eleme, buy into this project, secure it. It's not a mistake that it came to your own place. Other people are also looking for it. That God has brought it here, secure it. I know that you people are very lovely people. For our people, Rivers people, continue to be patient with the government. The government is interested in building a better society for every one of us. We're starting from a very bad point, but we know we're going to get to the right place. For those people, our people that are protesting, they have the right, but they should not allow the enemies of progress to hijack this protest and destroy the little quality development that we have recorded in our state. It's only one who loves this state that will protect the interests of this state. Nobody loves this state and connive with people to destroy it. It means you don't love the state. We love this state. We will do all we can to make sure we support and protect the interests of our state. I also want to appeal to every one of you. Even at the level of local government, it is not easy. You can imagine what we are going through at the state level. Now imagine what the federal government is going through, Mr. President. Everyone needs to be patient. We're coming from a very bad spot, trying to navigate to a better spot. What we just need is patience. Right policies are on their way. We'll get there.